Complying with HSE and ACOP L8 mandates monthly water temperature readings as part of your Legionella control program. A time-consuming manual task that is prone to inaccuracy and missed readings. So what if there was an alternative? L8 Remote by Nant, the latest innovation in the field of Legionella control and water safety. Specifically created for a proactive approach to compliance, the robust, tamper-free design means it can be installed practically anywhere within a property and will start collecting data the moment it is activated. With data captured in real time and transmitted hourly using cloud-based technology, the L8 Remote goes above and beyond the monthly requirements by allowing the user to view water temperatures of any asset in their entire portfolio of properties 24 hours a day through an online portal. L8 Remote is set to modernize a core component of the water safety industry. Start saving time and money on your Legionella control program today.